Hey dollies, hi, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a sleek bubble ponytail. Whoo, guys, listen, I got this idea from Crowned K. um I'll put her video in the link below, but you know how it is. Anyway, so I'm taking out my twisters that I had in my hair. My hair is super dry, so I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. Yummy. All for the hair. So after massaging that through, I'm about to try to get a nice straight path part down the middle, and I did. So I'm gonna put my hair in two parts in the front and one big part in the back, and I'm gonna go to work, honey. So I'm gonna go in with my Edge Boost Style Factor. And as you can see, I did part my hair in two different sections in the back so that it can lay nice and flat and neat, guys. Mind you, I did not blow dry my hair out or anything before doing this. So as you can see, after I lay it, I am gonna go in with my bed head, hard head holding spray. Guys, this is heaven for natural mamas. I'm telling you, holy grail secret, okay? Use this in some equal edge boost style factor, and your hair is going to lay. As you can see, no blow drying, no nothing, just a old wash and quenched up my hair. And yes, I do see the white residue. So to get rid of the white residue, if you didn't know, all I did was use oil sheen. I didn't use the oil sheen in this video, but I did end up using the oil sheen afterwards. So let's get into this real deal, the ponytail. So before installing the ponytail, guys, I definitely did put some elastics, rubber bands, sorry, around the hair, so it gave it a bubble effect. And then I went ahead and I installed it, and I did all of that off of the camera. Like I said, I got this idea from Crowns K. I will leave her stuff in the description below. I will leave her link in the description bar below, so you can see where I got the idea from. Now, I did not use any pin for this. It's because, you know, it's laid. But if you do want to secure it some more, you can go ahead and put some bobby pins up in there and do what you want to do, baby. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow all my social media links. See you dollies in my next video.